And then when the mind settles down with the meaning, then you can stop thinking of the meaning and then again hear the sound. There's nothing sweeter than the sound of Krishna's name. There's nothing more compelling and more attractive. So this is the best meditation, is sound meditation, to meditate on the sound. Your mind, your intelligence, your heart, ego, everything fixed on Krishna's name, and everything will become fastly or quickly revealed from the name. But our minds are jumping here and there, so the acharyas give this system. Meditate on the meaning. Not that, I do this seva, I do that seva, and Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. It's not just, it's something to do while you think of something else. The chanting of Mahamantra is the seva. That is the seva. There is no other seva. Every other seva is auxiliary to that. And every other seva is meant to be imbued with that. Jiva Goswami is telling, anything else you're doing, if it's not mixed with and permeated with the holy name, then it won't be pleasing to Krishna. If you're doing deity worship, you must chant Hare Krishna. If you're reading, you must be chanting Hare Krishna, because we're reading all about Krishna anyway. So the holy name, the Sankirtan, that is the undercurrent, that is the background of everything we do. You're cooking, you chant. You're doing deity worship, you chant. You parikama, everything you're doing, chanting should be there. This is the main primary thing. Because when you're chanting, you're in direct association with God. Direct, sakshat. Sakshat sangha, directly associating with Krishna. And the other sevas are just engaging our senses and our energy. Because we really can't sit down and chant 24 hours a day. Because we become restless, and we have to eat also. Some eating is required, so then cooking. But we should never underestimate, chanting Hare Krishna is not an auxiliary thing. It's not a secondary thing. It is the main thing, the primary thing, the only thing ultimately. Harinam, 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 eva kevalam. Kalo anasteva, anasteva, anasteva. Gatir anyata. Anyata means no other thing, no other practice, no other process, no other way. Harinam, Harinam, Harinam. So, we should understand that this is it. This is the quintessence of all practices. The essence. And everything else is helping us, and all other activities we do are helping us in preparing the field and preparing our minds so that we can peacefully sit down and chant the holy name. Because generally we're jumping like monkeys. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oh, what are we going to cook for lunch? Hare Krishna. Oh, I'll make this for Thakurji. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oh, but I can make it like this. Hare Krishna. Oh, but I make it like that. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. This is very, very inattentive japa. And from inattention, all the other offenses come. So we should be very attentive.